Welcome back. This episode will be a little bit different. One of my local YouTube viewer, who also owns a four-wheel drive Sprinter, asked me if I could help him install a Snorkel kit on his car. So I thought, yeah, why not? Of course I can. So I go into the garage to pick up some tools that I'm going to need. I just asked him to take some parts off so my work will be quicker. And here we have the fender that's already stripped from the car. He owns a dually four-wheel drive Sprinter that is converted to single wheels on the rear. I made this sample from my own car, so I know where the hole has to be cut. And because I already knew the measurements, it was so much quicker. And this is the sample that came with the Snorkel kit. I use it to locate the bolt holes. I don't know why, but for some reason the hose keeps coming off all the time.
Hei, ihan oikeesti. Mikä juttu tää on?
I installed this rubber seal to prevent the sharp edges from rubbing. I'm taking it off because I need to paint the surface before I install it. And same with the fender. In case if some of the water gets inside the airbox, this little valve will let it escape from there. And now it's time to make some epoxy primer to protect those edges that I got. On this van I'm using powder coated aluminium pipes. And also need to modify the upper clamp. Luckily I had my own with me, so I can copy it. And now it's done, and he was quite happy with it. And also he asked help with some other things that he needs done on his van. So if you want to see some more content from other people's sprinters that I'm working on, then comment down below so I know about it. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode. Bye!